enjoying the nice fresh air and the setting sun. Ooh, that guy's fishing. Robert, that's the same guy from earlier. I don't know, you should ask him how he's doing. He was the one that was fishing by the rocks earlier. Hardcore fisherman. But you know what I'm doing? I'm looking for shells. Because that's all I do. Robert is going to night fish tonight.
I'm getting bit by everything out there.
Are you getting bit right now?
No, not yet. I'm just waiting because I know what Sandoval's like, and I don't know how the school is different. Right next to each other, so.
It's very true.
I'm just waiting
He's my grumpy, pessimistic bear. I call him my grumpy bear.
I'll catch a jellyfish.
Maybe you will catch a jellyfish. He did catch a jellyfish earlier. He's giving me a hard time because I was too busy playing Pokemon instead of recording. So I missed the jellyfish. Jellyfish episode. I don't know what it is, jellyfish. The point is, every time Robert does something good or catches something good, I'm not recording. It's my WB Frog moment. You see something? Ooh, do you hear that sand? I felt like it was a desert for a minute there. Sand was blowing. That was weird. It's a little bit windy. A little windy. Oh my god, look at that crab hole. That has got to be a big freaking crab. Ooh, look at that wind. Look at that golf. There's a golf course right here and a golf cart lane. I guess the three thing to do here is ride golf carts. The first thing to do is enjoy the beach. The second thing is shelling, and apparently the third is ride your golf cart around. I guess that's the new popular activity around here. We did not rent a golf cart. We like the old-fashioned method of walking. Been a hermit for the last 4 months. Definitely enjoying this opportunity to walk around Captiva Island. Uh-oh, Robert, that means we're missing two things.
We're missing something.
We are missing something.
I'm going back over this spot.
You go.
There's never just one.
That is true. Can't catch them all. All the way down here, can I count this as number 2 and number 3? Number 2 and number 3 and number 4. Oh my goodness. Look at it. There's that fisherman. I want you to go talk to him and see how he's been doing. I swear. He's obviously, maybe he does stick with it. Yeah, me and my husband both have short attention spans. He can fish for like 20 minutes. And then I've been like...
I looked at the sun and now I've got spots in my eyes.
Uh-oh. Didn't they teach you that in grade school, not to look at the sun? Robert, were you sick that day? Don't look into the sun. There's a piece, I want that piece of coral. I see that little itty bitty piece of coral. Thank you. There's your 3. Look at that, 3.
Alright, let's go. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Since it's behind the clouds, what harm could it do?
I would love to do a whole bunch of crabs at night video, but it's turtle season. I do have my turtle safe flashlight, but if you watched my shelling at night with my turtle safe flashlight, it turns everything red. It's creepy. It's just creepy. It's like a haunted house. Look at that crab hole. See, you think people are not digging these holes. These are animals.
Yeah.
Digging. These are crabs. These aren't kids putting in umbrellas. Mm-hmm. These are crabs. See?
But you can see the dig.
You can see where they push the dirt out. So I know people walking by, oh, someone didn't fill in their umbrella. No, it's a crab. Don't fill it in. Don't fill it in. It'll hurt the crab. Leave it alone. I'm just saying those are big holes. So those are going to be some big crabs coming out later. What is that? It is some kind of... It's like braided.
Wheat.
It's
Ocean
very...
wheat.
Does it stink? No.
Ocean wheat.
Will it fit in my bag? Put it in my bag. I don't know why, but I want it. It's like stiff like a rope, but it's not. See if I can bend it in my bag. There we go.
Heard it snap.
No, it didn't snap. Yeah, it did. You're right, it snapped.
Don't argue more.
I don't know why I bother, because I'm always wrong. I'm a woman and I can admit it. I am always wrong.
You argued about that zucchini for so long.
Stop, I don't want to hear it. No, they don't know this story.
That's fine.
You want to hear a quick story before I end this show?
You were sure it was
It's just,
zucchini.
listen, I haven't told anyone this story yet. So I am growing plants on our deck in pots, and I ordered zucchini seeds from Amazon. And they came in, and I ordered all kinds of seeds, and most of the seeds were in normal seed packets like you see at the grocery store. But a couple of them were just in brown envelopes. I absolutely did not order cucumber seeds. I'm not a huge fan of cucumbers. I did not order cucumber seeds. I ordered zucchini seeds. And they were the seeds in the brown envelopes. So I plant them. And now they're growing. And they don't really look like zucchini, but I'm like, okay, maybe it's a different type of zucchini. And my husband's like, that's a cucumber. I'm like, no, I never bought cucumbers. Well, trust me, they are cucumbers. I thought I was growing zucchinis. I am growing cucumbers that I don't really like. So when I get home from vacation, I'm going to be pickling a bunch of cucumbers and making pickles. So lesson learned, don't order seeds from Amazon. Go directly to your hardware store and buy them from packs that are clearly marked zucchini. So if anyone has extra zucchini they want to send me, or if you live in the St. Louis area and you have zucchini, too much zucchini. I don't have any zucchini. I don't have zucchini. I have cucumbers. And I haven't told anyone because it's a little embarrassing. Because Robert kept telling me they were cucumbers. And I'm like, no, they're zucchinis. Moral of the story, Jenny is always wrong. Robert is always right. And